In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and use custom indicators on TradingView. If you're a trader looking to personalize your trading charts with unique insights, learning to create custom indicators can be incredibly useful. Let's dive into the process step by step to help you harness the full potential of TradingView's powerful tools. First, you'll want to open up your TradingView chart. This is where all the magic happens. Make sure you have your preferred chart open and ready. Once you're on your chart, it's time to head down to the lower right corner of your screen. Here, you'll find the Product button. Click on it. This will open up a menu that gives you access to various features and tools. Next, you'll want to find and click on the Pine Editor. The Pine Editor is where you can write scripts that allow you to customize how data appears on your chart. Once you're in the Pine Editor, you might notice a section labeled Untitled Script. Go ahead and click on that. This is essentially a blank canvas where you can start writing your own scripts. Now, let's create something new. Look for the Create New button and click on it. This will prompt you to start a new script from scratch. Once you've initiated a new script, you'll see an option to click on Indicator. Select this option as it's what you'll be using to develop your custom indicator. With the groundwork laid, it's time to get creative and technical. You need to type or paste your PineScript code into the editor. If you're new to PineScript, don't worry. There are plenty of resources available online to help you learn the basics. PineScript is a powerful language that allows you to define exactly how you want your indicators to behave and appear on your charts. If you have a specific script in mind, type it out here. Otherwise, you can paste code that you've already prepared or found elsewhere. Once your script is ready, you can save and apply it. Your custom indicator will now be applied to your chart, giving you the personalized insights you need to make informed trading decisions. Experimentation is key here. Feel free to tweak your script until it perfectly suits your trading style and needs. And there you have it. A straightforward way to create and use custom indicators on TradingView. By following these steps, you can tailor your trading experience, making your charts not only visually appealing, but also more informative and aligned with your trading strategies. Thanks for watching and happy trading!